Hello guys, welcome back to Joe Educate. I just want to share a quick IT tips. One of the purpose of this channel is to actually share tips with you guys, IT tips and cybersecurity tips, Canada Express entry tips, and all of that. So today's tips, as you can see from the caption, title of the video is that how to maintain a clean desktop of your PC. So quickly, I will just show you. If you are someone like me who like to hide stuff from the desktop, especially if you work in an office whereby you don't want folks around to see what is on your desktop, whether you are when you are away or when you are in the office. You can quickly use these techniques to hide stuff that are safe on your desktop. So like as you can see, my desktop is very clean. You can't all the icons, the file, the folders are hidden. So just right click on your desktop, go to a view and say show desktop. So these are the stuff that I have on my desktop. So if I want to hide them, I right click, go to view, then show desktop and uncheck that, and here you go. All the things. If I want to bring them back, right click again, view, and then go to show desktop. Then all my stuffs are back. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to this video, share with your friends and family, and see you in my next tip. Bye.